Hi, today I'm going to show you how to run a Pearson correlation on SPSS, but before I do that I'm also going to show you how to create a scatter plot on Excel. So what we have is some data here, and we want to compare the data. The data is on students and how long they spent programming their robotics in hours, and then how many challenges they completed. And what we're first going to do is highlight the data, then go to Insert, Scatter Plot, click on the first scatter plot, and it gives us an image. So it shows us how many challenges have been completed and the hours spent. And we can see that there is a slight increase. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to SPSS, and we're going to double check that our variables are labeled. If they're not, we can label them right there. And then we're going to go to Analyze, Correlate. We're doing a bivariate correlate because we're comparing two different variables. And if the variables are not already plugged in here, we're going to plug them to the right side. Check our options. We want the means and standard deviations for descriptive stats. And we're going to click Continue. We already have Pearson checked off, two-tail, and that's it. We're going to click OK. And then our data is created. So now we can look at the descriptive stats. We see that the average amount of hours students spent programming is 3 4/10 hours, and then the challenges are 2.1 completed. And then we have the standard deviations, which aren't too far apart, and there's the number of students were 20 for both. And now we have the correlations because we did a two-tail. We have compared it to two different ways, but it came up to the same results, which are decimal point 789, which is on the fairly high side, so we can conclude that there is a positive correlation. If it was negative, it would be a negative correlation, but we can assume that there is a decent positive correlation here.